I think you will love this video. You think? This video is specifically on I think. If you want to double your closing rate, or I say double, but you will increase. Who here want to increase his closing rate? If you are here, my little finger said to me, you want. So if I say I think, and in the context here on this series, the closing on the fly, it's about to share with you all my secret on the closing skills. What I learned, what I discovered during the last 4 or 5 years. And the special one today is I think. Do you have some call who finish like, I will think about it? You want to cut that at a half. Who wants that? You are at the good place. And I'm not thinking you are at the good place. You are at the good place. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell to know what the notification, because I will share specifically during this video, and I will build a whole series on the closing on the fly to help you increase your closing rate. I'm talking about right now, for me, on my French market, l'inspiration d'achat, inspirational buying, because what we want to inspire the person in front of you to buy, not close the deal. We want to inspire the person to say yes to his vision, her new identity. So you want to cut the I will think about it. Listen to the prospect. The prospect will say to you all the call, he will think about it. He will think about it. He will think about it. You need to listen. How I know that? I take more than thousand of call. So don't believe me. Test it. Specifically these 2 words. I think. You will see, you will hear that right now everywhere. In your family dinner with your friends. And yes, for sure on your closing call. And that's why I call this series Closing on the Fly, because we always closing. We always inspire people around us to be their better self. Are you ready for that? I think you're ready. So next time a prospect said to you, I think, like, why now is a good time? Oh, I think it's a good time because it's the end of the year, because it's the beginning of the year, because it's summer, because it's winter, because blah, blah, blah. Okay. And I'm not talking about the storytelling here. I'm talking really on a one-on-one, one-to-many closing call. I think I want to change my life. I think I want a better relationship. I think. People bullshit themselves. If you ever hear prospect are liar, Dan Locke, my mentor, I love it. I love that man. Always say that. Prospect are liar. Yes. Most of the time, they're not lying to us. They're lying to themselves. I think. You think? Just answer that. I think I want to change my life now. You think? Try it. Don't believe me. Try it. Yeah, I think it's a good moment. You think? Yes, I think I want to lose some pounds. You think? Yes, I think I want to be in shape. You think? Tried it. People don't want clarity. I know. It's not, it doesn't make sense, but people doesn't make sense. I don't make sense. I'm a person. I'm a human. Human doesn't make sense. So we need to be there for the other person to make sense, to help them. And if you want my special, my secret, do you want my secret? How to become the best closer, the best inspirational buyer uh, on the market, the best of the best, the top 1% of the closer. You want it? Be that person. And what I teach you, I will share with you during this series. Make sure to listen to the most important person in your life, yourself. Yourself. You need to be aware how many times you said, I think. I think I learned something during that video with Carl. If you think you learned something, you're not sure. And trust me, your brain will say, why I will take energy to process what Carl shared with me if I just thinking. But if you're sure, why? Why you want to test what I share with you? Answer that question. And trust me, your brain at that moment will say, oh wow, that's powerful. That's awesome. Yes, that guy have an accent, but it makes sense. And I don't think about it. I don't think. I'm sure. So what is the big surprise if the call finish with I think? I will think about it. And during all the call, and you will feel it. You need to trust. You need to feel it. I think. I think. I think. At the end, I will think about it. Oh, big surprise! Yes, the prospect didn't lie. During all the call, the prospect said to you, I think I want to change my life. I think it's now. I think you're the good person. I think I'm able to do that. I think I got the money. I think. I will think about it. The prospect doesn't lie. That's awesome, huh? Ring the bell. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because a lot of things will be on that subject. And I will bring every subject like that. When you start your call, listen to I think. Watch yourself. And try that. Try it. Do that. And when you will do that, one time? Yes, it will come back. Yes, you need to become that person. The key here, it's not about, okay, I will look for the good words. I will answer the good thing. It's not about the thing, like my mentor Dan Locke said. It's not about the thing. It's who doing the thing. So the question of you think, it's not about you think. It's about who will do that. So basically, the call will start with something blah blah blah. You're looking right now blah 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 to change your life. Yes, I think. You think? Just be clear. I want to be clear here. At the beginning of the call, if the prospect come and he think, you need to stop that there and you think, and maybe that's not the good time. I don't know. But you need to make sure to know before you move on. So I think that's a good timing. You think? Yeah. And like you need to clarify that. Why now? I think blah 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 blah. You think? No. No, now it's the moment. Why? Because blah 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 blah. Do you see? And the second time, like, oh yeah, I will do that. I think it will bring me some result. You think? No, it will bring me some result. Why? Blah 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 blah. And the third time, the prospect will do the same. But the magic will happen. What is the magic? What is the magic? The prospect will say, I think. No, I'm sure. Maybe that prospect will need 4 times, 5 times. But if you are the leader of the call, and every time the prospect will say, I think, and you said, you think? Yes, you need to be silent after. Just see the magic happen in your life. Test that. If you will test it, write in the comment, I will test it. Go test it and come back on this video and share with me what happened during your call. And right now, take a moment to remember the last call. The 3 last call. What happened? Your last 3 calls will finish with, I will think about it. Just remember it. Oh yes, that prospect said, I think. I'm sure. Check that. Use that. Don't believe me. Use it. Because if you're using it, I don't think that will change your call. I'm sure.